नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण पाहणार आहोत सेट या प्रकरणातील टाइप्स ऑफ सेट्स, इक्वल सेट्स अँड प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.2. तर चला तर पाहूया आपण टाइप्स ऑफ सेट. पहिला टाइप आहे सिंगलटन सेट. सिंगल म्हणजे एक, म्हणजे ज्यामध्ये फक्त एकच एलिमेंट आहेत, म्हणजे अ सेट कन्सिस्टिंग ऑफ ए सिंगल एलिमेंट और ओनली one element is called the singleton set. Example: A is the set of even prime number. You know that the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 ... like this. Out of this, which are the even? Only 2. Therefore A is equal to curly bracket 2. The set contain only one element, and therefore set A is a singleton set. Second type, empty set or null set. Empty means रिकामा, म्हणजे ज्यामध्ये काहीही नाही. If there is not a single element in the set, which is satisfy the given condition, जो दिलेली कंडिशन सॅटिस्फाय करणारा एकही एलिमेंट त्यामध्ये नसेल तर त्याला म्हणतो आपण एम्प्टी सेट. देन द सेट इज कॉल्ड द एम्प्टी और अ सेट विच डू नॉट कंटेन एनी एलिमेंट. जसं की पहा एक्झाम्पल, बी इज इक्वल टू कर्ली ब्रॅकेट एक्स सच दॅट एक्स बिलॉंग्स टू एन, म्हणजे एक्स नॅचरल नंबर लेस दॅन 1, म्हणजे एकपेक्षा लहान असणारी नॅचरल नंबर. तर देअर इज नो सच नंबर, and therefore set B does not contain any element, and therefore set B is an empty set or null set. The null set is denoted by phi and its spelling is PHI. Third one is finite. Finite म्हणजे काय? काउंटेबल, की ज्या सेटचे एलिमेंट्स हे कसे आहेत? काउंटेबल आहेत. वी कॅन काउंट देम, हेच दे आर कॉल्ड द फायनाईट सेट. द नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन द सेट आर लिमिटेड और काउंटेबल, म्हणजे मर्यादित असतील आणि काउंटेबल असेल. देन द सेट इज कॉल्ड द फायनाईट सेट. एक्झाम्पल पाहूया. सी इज द सेट ऑफ ऑल एक्स. सी इज द सेट ऑफ ऑल एक्स सच दॅट एक्स इज ए नॅचरल नंबर लेस दॅन 10. नॅचरल नंबर परंतु कसे? 10पेक्षा कमी. म्हणजे सी इज द सेट ऑफ ऑल एक्स सच दॅट एक्स बिलॉंग्स टू एन अँड एक्स लेस दॅन 10. C is equal to in curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then there are limited elements, and therefore set C is a finite set. Third one is infinite set. The number of elements in the infinite म्हणजे काय? अमर्यादित. The number of elements in the set is unlimited or uncountable. Unlimited अमर्यादित एलिमेंट असेल आणि uncountable म्हणजे त्यांची संख्या आपल्याला मोजता येत नाही. The such a set is called the infinite set. Example: D is the set of natural number. D is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 ... म्हणजे या ठिकाणी अनंत एलिमेंट्स आहेत, इन्फायनाईट आहेत, अनलिमिटेड आहेत, म्हणून ... दिलेले आहेत. देअरफॉर द सेट D इज ए फायनाईट सेट. त्यानंतर पेज नंबर 5 वरील एक्झाम्पल्स. Write the following sets using the listing method and classify into finite or infinite set. First example: A is the set of all x such that x belongs to n and x is an odd number. म्हणजे x काय आहे? नॅचरल नंबर अँड ऑड. x is odd natural number. That is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 ... The ... shows it is uncountable and hence it is infinite set. Second example: B is equal to or B is the set of all x such that x belongs to n and 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. So here equation 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. We have to solve it. Therefore 3x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 upon 3. But 1 upon 3 does not belongs to n, because in the example x belongs to काय म्हटलेलं आहे? n म्हटलेलं आहे नॅचरल नंबर, म्हणजे 1 upon 3 ही नॅचरल नंबर नाही. And therefore the set B does not contain any element, means it is an empty set, and empty set is a finite set. Here we write empty set is a finite set. This is an important statement. Then third example. C is the set of all x such that x belongs to n and x is divisible by 7. म्हणजे काय, 7ने भाग जाणाऱ्या नैसर्गिक संख्या कोणत्या येतील त्या, मल्टिपल ऑफ 7. तर 7 1 7, 7 2 14, 7 3 21, 7 4 28 dot dot dot. Again dot dot dot. Therefore elements are unlimited and therefore set C is an infinite set. Then fourth example. D is the set of A comma B such that A comma B belongs to W. W means whole number. A plus B is equal to 9. You know that the W set of whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 means the A and B belongs to are those elements and their sum is equal to 9. If we choose A is equal to 0, then B is equal to 9. A is equal to 1, then B is equal to 8. So like this we got a pairs 0, 9, 1, 8, 2, 7, 3, 6, 4, 5, 5, 4, 6, 3, 7, 2, 8, 1 and 9, 0. Again we got a pair 10, minus 1. But in 10, minus 1, 10 is a whole number W, but minus 1 is not a in W. Therefore this pair of A and B does not belongs to this set and therefore we could not write it. Means the number of pairs in these sets are limited and therefore set D is a finite set. Now next example. E is the set of all x such that x belongs to I and x square is equal to 100. आता x square is equal to 100 means x is equal to plus or minus 10 and here x belongs to I. I means integer. It is positive one as well as negative and therefore E is equal to minus 10 and 10 means the set contains only two elements and therefore set E is a finite set. The next example 6. F is the set of A comma B such that A comma B belongs to Q. A plus B is equal to 11. You know that the Q is a set of rational number and a rational number we are unable to write the set of rational number in listing method. We write in a rule method. Q is equal to in curly bracket P upon Q such that P comma Q belongs to I and Q is not equals to 0. म्हणजे P and Q belongs to I are the integers and the Q means the denominator is not equals to 0. Therefore if we take value of A is equal to 6, then B is equal to 5, 6, 5, 3, 8, their sum is equal to 11, 2, 9, their sum is also 11. The such pairs and again fraction 2.5, 8.5, their sum is also 11. Then we can find the different pairs or many pairs here. So we write dot 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 means we get the infinite many pairs of A comma B and therefore set F is infinite set. Now next the equal set. Equal म्हणजे समान, समान सेट किंवा समान संच. तर पहा डेफिनेशन त्याची. टू सेट्स A and B आर सेट टू बी इक्वल म्हणजे दोन सेट आहेत आणि त्यांना काय म्हणायचं आपण इक्वल सेट म्हणायचा. परंतु केव्हा की इफ एव्हरी एलिमेंट ऑफ सेट ए इज इन सेट बी म्हणजेच सेट एचा प्रत्येक घटक प्रत्येक एलिमेंट एव्हरी एलिमेंट हा कशामध्ये असेल सेट बीमध्ये असेल आणि एव्हरी एलिमेंट ऑफ सेट बी म्हणजे सेट बीचा प्रत्येक एलिमेंट हा कशामध्ये असेल सेट एमध्ये असेल. देन वी से दॅट द सेट ए and set B are equal. Let us सी the example 1. A is the set of all x such that x is a letter of the word listen. That this set we can write it in a listing form as L, I, S, T, E and N. This is a listing form. Set B is equal to such that y is a set of all y is a letter of the word silent. That is B is equal to S, I, L, E, N, T. Both the sets, set A and set B, contain exactly same elements, that is L, L, I, S, S, T, T, E, E, N and N, exactly same elements, and therefore we say that these two sets are equal. म्हणजे elements in the set A and B are identical, or we say that same, and therefore the two sets are said to be equal. A is equal to B means set A and set B are equal sets. Symbolically it is written as A is equal to B. Now the second example, example number 2. A is the set of all x such that x is equal to 2n. N belongs to n and x is greater than 0, less than or equals to 10. म्हणजेच n is a natural number greater than 0. Greater than 0 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, less than or equals to 10. This is n. The x is equal to twice n. Therefore set A is equal to, in curly bracket, 2, 4. Example number 2. A is the set of all x such that x is equal to 2n. N belongs to n, 0 less than x less than or equals to 10. Means the n is a natural number. That is n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 dot dot dot, means infinite set. But x is twice the n and less than or equals to 10, that is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So now second, B is the set of all y such that y is an even number. Y is an even number and it contains y greater than or equals to 1. Even number greater than or equals to 1 म्हणजेच एक पेक्षा मोठी इव्हन नंबर, तर ती आहे 2, 4, 6, 8 and less than or equals to 10, that is 10. Both the sets A and B contain exactly same elements, and therefore we say that set A and B are equal sets and it is written as A is equal to B. Now C is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7 and D is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7 are the sets C and D are equal. Now in this example 1 is an element, it is belongs to C, but 1 does not belongs to D. म्हणजे एक हा एलिमेंट असा आहे की तो सी मध्ये आहेत परंतु डी मध्ये नाही. त्याचप्रमाणे 3, 5, 7 दोन्ही मध्ये आहेत. म्हणजे एक हा असा एलिमेंट आहे की जो सी मध्ये आहेत परंतु डी मध्ये नाही. मीन्स द सेट सी अँड डी डज नॉट contain exactly same elements, and therefore sets C and D are not equal sets, and therefore A is not equals to B. Now the next example number 3. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, are the sets A and B equal? You know that here the set A contain only 3 elements and they are 1, 2, 3, and the set B contain 4 elements. So here number of elements are different, or we say that the element 4 is in B and not in A, and therefore sets A and B does not contain exactly same elements, and therefore sets A and B are not equal sets. Therefore A is not equals to B. Now fourth example. A is the set of all x such that x is a prime number. Prime number कशी आहे ती? x is greater than 10 आणि less than 20. Therefore we write A is equal to greater than 10 means 11, then 13, then 17 and then 19 less than 20. And the set B is 11, 13, 17 and 19. Both the sets contain exactly same elements, and therefore sets A and B are equal sets. Now the problem set 1.2. Example 1. Decide which of the following are equal sets and which are not. Justify your answer. The first of all, A is the set of all x such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. That is 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. So 3x is equal to 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. Therefore x is equal to 3 upon 3, that is x is equal to 1. The set A contain an element 1. Now second, B is the set of all x such that x is a natural number. X is a natural number but x is neither prime, म्हणजे ती प्राइम नसेल, नॉर कंपोजिट, म्हणजे कंपोजिट सुद्धा राहणार नाही. प्राइम पण नाही आणि कंपोजिट पण नाही, परंतु कशी आहे ती नॅचरल नंबर आहेत. म्हणजे बी द सेट कंटेन 1. देर इज ओनली 1 विच नायदर प्राइम नॉर कंपोजिट. देन थर्ड, सी इज द सेट ऑफ ऑल एक्स सच दैट x is a natural number. Natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4, but less than 2. So such number is only 1. Here the set A, set B, set C contain exactly same elements. Sets A, B and C contains exactly same elements. Elements in the set A, B and C are identical. Therefore set A is equal to set B is equal to set C. Next example. Decide whether set A and B are equal sets. Give reason to your answer. A, even prime numbers. So you know that the prime numbers, and in that prime number which is even, so such number is only 1, 2. And the B is the set of all x such that 7x minus 1 is equal to 13. 7x minus 1 is equal to 13. The 7x is equal to 13 plus 1, that is equal to 14. X is equal to 14 upon 7. Therefore x is equal to 2. The set B contain 2. Now here the sets A and B contain exactly same elements, or the elements in the set A and B are identical, and therefore sets A and B are equal sets. Therefore A is equal to B. The next, which of the following are empty sets and why? First example is A is the set of all A such that A is a natural number smaller than 0. म्हणजे 0 पेक्षा स्मॉलर म्हणजे लहान नॅचरल नंबर ए मध्ये आहेत का अशी कोणती नंबर नाही, म्हणजे दिस इज ॲन एम्प्टी सेट. हियर वी से दैट द सेट ए डज नॉट कंटेन एनी एलिमेंट and therefore it is empty set. B is the set of all x such that x square is equal to 1. You know that x square is equal to 0 and therefore x is equal to 0. Means the set B contain an element 0. That is an element, 0 is an element, and therefore set B is not an empty set. Third example, C is equal to x such that 5x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x belongs to n. Here 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore 5x is equal to 2 and therefore x is equal to 2 upon 5. But 2/5 does not belongs to n. 2/5 does not belongs to n, and therefore C does not contain an element, and therefore set C is an empty set. The fourth example, write with reasons which of the following sets are finite or infinite. First example, A is the set of all x such that x is less than 10. X is a natural number. X is less than 10 and x is a natural number. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And therefore the set A, elements in set A, elements in set A are countable, and therefore set A is an finite set. Second example, B is the set of all y such that y is less than -10. Y is less than -1 and y is an integer. So now y is an integer, positive integer, negative integer and 0. The integer is less than -1. So B is equal to, the integers which are less than -1 are -2, -3, -4 dot dot dot. Means the elements in set B are uncountable, and therefore set B is infinite set. Infinite set. Now third example, C is the set of students of class 9 from your school. म्हणजे आपल्या शाळेतील इयत्ता 9वीतील विद्यार्थी, म्हणजे नंबर ऑफ स्टुडंट्स ऑफ क्लास 9th फ्रॉम आवर स्कूल आर काउंटेबल. म्हणजे हे विद्यार्थी आपल्याला मोजता येतील किती विद्यार्थी आहेत. अँड हेन्स वी से दॅट द सेट सी इज फायनाइट सेट. इज फायनाइट सेट. सेट ऑफ पीपल फ्रॉम युअर व्हिलेज, म्हणजे आपण ज्या ठिकाणी राहतो, ज्या खेड्यात राहतो, गावात राहतो, त्या गावातील लोक. आता त्या गावातील लोक आपल्याला मोजता येईल, म्हणजे काउंटेबल आहेत. म्हणजे द नंबर ऑफ पीपल इन अ व्हिलेज आर काउंटेबल अँड हेन्स द गिवन सेट, हेन्स द गिवन सेट इज फायनाइट. नेक्स्ट example, set of apparatus in a laboratory. The apparatus in a laboratory are limited, are not large, and hence it is countable, and therefore this set is finite. Set of whole numbers, you know that the set of whole number is denoted by W, and it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 dot dot dot. Means they are uncountable. Elements are uncountable, and therefore the set of whole, it is it is infinite set. Similarly, set of rational number, you know that we are unable to write the set of rational number in listing method. We can write it in a roster set builder form, and therefore Q is equal to P upon Q such that P comma Q belongs to I and Q is not equals to 0, and the set is infinite set. Thank you.